Happy camper, toilet treatment is not just for campers. It's for boats too. It works very, very well. I bought this a number of years ago when we got our boat because the majority of, actually all the marine products that I found basically just masked the odors. It didn't actually break down the solids and materials in the tank and in the tubes. This actually is an enzymatic treatment, so this breaks down the solids, and it doesn't have an annoying, very flowery odor. It just works. So I've been using it for years, and I can just demonstrate how I use it. Okay. Toilet up. Now the directions say to use about a gallon of water per 1 scoop. I estimated I just fill the tank up a little bit. Oops, wrong way. I don't know. That's probably a gallon. And I just get a scoop, approximate, and I just kind of sprinkle it in there, and I just kind of start flushing it. Stirring it up, flushing it. The main thing is that you don't want to put too little water because then it'll solidify and get all solid. And then I just run it into my black water tank. And that's all you have to do. And I've never had a problem with the tanks since I started using this stuff.
Grab the links below and remember to hit that subscribe button.